Hi, this is Tokyo US Brand Manager Ian Harvey. I want to show you the new Structurite Nordic Kit. The Structurite Nordic Kit includes the new Structurite Nordic, as well as the bits of yellow, red, and blue. There are 2 bits that use at the same time for each color and condition. It comes in this really nice carrying case. The carrying case has recommendations as to when to use the bits and what the patterns look like. This is what the case looks like inside. It's got 2 blue bits, 2 red bits, and 2 yellow bits. The blue bits are left and right screw pattern 1/2 a millimeter. The red bits are left and right screw pattern 1 millimeter. And the 2 yellow bits are 1.5 millimeter left and right screw patterns. This is the Structurite Nordic tool, the new one. It's high quality, stable. You can see on one side it says there's a round thing with an arrow. That's where this side of the bit goes. So you slide it in there, push it in. And do the same with the other blue. I'm using blue at the moment. It doesn't matter which bit's in front or which bit's in back. Just put them both in there. Generally speaking, I recommend doing 2 passes. The bit's got an arrow on it. Just use it in the direction of the arrow. It's also got guides on it, so it keeps the tool, the ski in the middle and on the tool. You want to push down hard and make sure you're giving even pressure. The tendency is to give more pressure on the inside, that is the side of the ski closer to you, than on the outside. So make sure you push on the outside of the tool, the side farther away from you as well. Use your body weight on the tool. You can do 2 passes. I don't know if you can see the structure, but it's a left and right screw pattern, 1/2 millimeter. The Structurite Nordic Kit also comes with a paper showing when to use what bit. But in general, when you're using a blue wax, you want to use the blue bit. Blue for blue. When using a red wax, you want to use a red bit. And when using a yellow wax, you want to use the yellow bit. That's in general. You can use, for example, red over yellow if you want to get tricky, and that breaks it up even more. But in general, when using blue wax, blue bit, red, red, yellow, yellow, and you're going to be in there with the best skis pretty much all the time. So what's different about the new Structurite kit compared to the old one? First off, the tool itself is much more robust and stable. You'll be able to push down on it harder. There's no flexing whatsoever. It's a better quality overall tool. Secondly, and more importantly, it's got 2 bits that insert as compared to our old one, which just had 1. And these 2 bits are a better pattern than anything we've ever had. It's a left and right screw pattern, which makes a pattern on the ski that we have not been able to do in the past with the 1 bit. And this left and right screw pattern in the blue, red, and yellow have consistently proven to be the best structures on snow in these general conditions for the past decade. So these structures work and they're proven. We haven't come out with a new structure kit for 15 years, especially since we're not using fluorinated waxes anymore. Structure is absolutely critical for having good skis. This kit is the #1 thing you can do to improve your skis. It's the best investment you can make, and you'll be able to use this kit for many, many years, probably at least 15 again. These left and right screw patterns in the blue, red, and yellow depths and thicknesses have proven over the past decade to be the best overall structure patterns out there. So there's no mysteries here. This kit is going to provide you with the best hand structure you can get, period. The price on the kit is about $500. That's a lot of money, but in the big picture, it's absolutely a good investment. For example, 120 gram of yellow, red, and blue high performance glide wax costs $440 retail. Most people use that in a month or two, much less a season. This kit is just a little bit more than that, and it'll last you for years and years and years, and will make a greater difference in your enjoyment and your ski speed. I highly recommend getting this kit. It will also be featured in all of our race wax tips from here on out. This new Structurite kit is the single best investment you can make to improve your ski speed and overall ski enjoyment. Thanks for watching.